In this video, we'll understand how to extend the installment of fixed loan. Okay, so I'm going to search a customer here. Then I click loan and I enter amount 10,000, rate of interest 3 monthly, and the extension of installment is applicable only in case of first interest then principal. And I select, let's say, for 3 months. I click save. Loan number 32 is created. I search the loan number 32 and here I can get in installment tracker, I get extension. So what I can do, I extend for 2 more installments and click extend. Are you sure to extend interest 0 for installment? So let me click here, or let me click here, and then are you sure to extend interest 300 for 2 installments? Yes. So one thing, I have to select this one actually. Okay, if I select here, it will say 0 interest. I want to click here and then click yes. Saved. Now let's see. Loan number 32 I search and installment tracker. Now you can see here that extended for 2 installments. Okay, so you have to extend the installment only when there is a interest, at least one interest installment is pending. So in case all interest paid and you have last installment, so in that case also I think it can be done. So for example, we have 5 installments for interest, so it means 1,500. So I receive 1,500 here and receive. Now if I see the installment tracker, I can see all interest received and only principal left. Now I want to extend for 2 more months actually, so I can click here 2 and then extend, but it will say interest 0. So what I want to do is interest, I want to keep it 300 again. Okay, and then I click yes, extend, and let's see what happens now. I search loan number 32 again, installment tracker. So 2 more installments are created here. So this is how you can basically extend the installments, but provided that this will work only for this type of loan calculations, first interest then principal. Okay, and in case, let's say, customer now wants to pay the entire principal, so what can happen in this case? Actually the remaining interest is 600 and principal 10,000. Now customer is willing to pay 10,000, no interest. So what you can do is you can just say receive and pre-close. Okay, so I click receive and pre-close. Yes. So let's search 32 again and installment tracker. What happened? You will receive the principal and then remaining installments marked as 0. Okay, so this is how you can do multiple things with this type of loan calculation. All right, thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.